Welcome to the Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us grow. For breaking news, please visit our website www.2010shopi.co.za. This is number 20 Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. My brother, how's it?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm fine, thanks, man. What's your take on the game today?
I'm happy I came here because why? We came for a draw. I think Chiefs came for a draw because in terms of defense, Mule was not giving us going forward. He was always on our half. I think even at the bench was poor because we were supposed to have Nkwesa, so that if we have Nkwesa or Frostler, we have a proper left back. Going forward, we're gonna get something. But the coach was we came for a draw. 3 central defenders. I don't understand what was happening there. But Sundowns was dominating us with 3 central defenders. Substitution was wrong substitution. Supposed to take at least 1 central midfielder and attack, put in 2 or 4. So that we can attack, we get second goal, then we can come with the rest defense.
But Chiefs must give us a game.
This game was boring. Even Sundowns saw that Chiefs was not playing. They were always attacking on the left of Modi, and Modi was our best player. I was scared because of Modi, but today he was our best player because Sundowns was attacking on this side, but he was managing the game better than the right hand side of they was not playing the right hand. Because Sundowns, when we start the play, they always block the right. Then want to play Modi, but Modi can adjust it. He played the proper game today, and I'm happy to you.
Thanks, my brother.